Hey YouTube, I made a video this morning for unboxing my vest, and I said later on this month I'd unbox my gloves, but my gloves came today, actually. Pretty cool, actually. My vest came in yesterday, and my gloves came today, so pretty convenient. I'm probably going to order more stuff tonight. But yeah, here's the unbagging boxing type thing. Oh man, this is going to be difficult-ish. This knife is not the sharpest. Yeah, and these are my gloves. Put this knife down. Yeah, there's Jeffrey right there, eating a McChicken, because McChickens are good. Yeah, here's the gloves, because gloves are awesome. No need for a knife. There's a open thingy at the top.
Yeah.
Kind of like a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
Oakley factory pilot glove. Because Oakleys are awesome. Them's carbon knuckle gloves. Oh sweet, these are real too. These aren't the sheepskin kind. I got them for a good price too.
These are like the ones that they have on like Modern Warfare.
Yeah.
Same ones actually.
Sweet. These are I'm actually surprised they're not fake. This is the real deal. So yeah, there's the unbagging / boxing type thing video. Yep, my dogs, because they're awesome. They don't look very big on this camera because this camera blows chunks.
But that dog is actually fat.
That dog is like huge though. She is like super big. And my sister more than likely forgot to water her today. Yes, she did. So yeah, I'm gonna water her once this video's done. Yeah, my gloves, they're real too. Yeah. Yep, so there's the video.